Vivo Los Trapenses. It is the only shopping center in Chile that has a proximity marketing technology, NOC, a downloadable application. Transmitters called iBeacons installed in shops and on strategic locations allows users to receive on their phone real-time, free information about discounts, special offers, and gifts. Thanks to this app, as it is expected, young people are our most enthusiastic users. We came up with the idea to transform them into our ambassadors, to spread the application through the masses. For Chilean teenagers, December is a stressful time of school's final exams. Therefore, we thought about rewarding them with a good start for the long-awaited vacations. At the same time, we used this strategy to increase download engagement among young people and to promote its use. Thus, the campaign Goodbye Profes was born. In it, we encouraged students from different schools to participate, all of them from our area of influence. They competed for daily coupons that had to be downloaded from NOC in Vivo Los Trapenses, and the students with the most coupons won the campaign. We communicated this campaign through flyers, strong advertising and social media, and we also supported the action with POP in the mall. The prize consisted of a great celebration dinner at the Outback restaurant in our Vivo Los Trapenses. But that's not all. At the party, 5 GoPro Plus were raffled. The successful outcome represented an increase in over 30% in downloads for the app. And most of all, we created an opportunity for young people and their friends to win together. Thereby, we achieved an increase of bonding with the brand and the app. Goodbye Profes was an important success in an area where Vivo Los Trapenses is now in the forefront. The use of new technologies to create a deep connection between our brand and our customers.